So now it is turn to make a small review of our second frame, which is a Vector Typhoon model, and it also will come in a carton box protected with styrofoam, and everything is well packed, so you won't get scratched product. I already opened the side panels to make it faster. They are made from aluminum composite material, so they are light and strong at the same time, but also not expensive. You can see our frame is here, the seat triangle inside. It will go also with a seat post clamp. You can also see the differences between our frame and the Chinese frame. We use this rubber parts that will protect the frame from the water getting inside, which you don't have any in other frames. You also have this nice rubber sealants that will block the water from getting inside. Obviously this is not the color of the side panels if somebody will be interested, so it's just to protect it during delivery. The differences what we also have on our frame is that we have those parts reinforced. We have tested our frame on a static press load, and normally without any modification it will start crashing after 400 kilos. But we did these testings and we saw the weak points. We reinforced those stress points, this concentration point stress, and we reinforce them, and now the frame can hold up to 1000 kilogram static load. So the second part, which is also different from Chinese manufacturers, that we use a special part for the frame that is screwed in, and then the bearings pressed inside, so it's not deformed during the weldings like it is on the cheaper frame versions, where it is just a circular shape tube, and then they weld it into the frame, and then it deformed, and then they compress the bearings, so they deformed from the very beginning, and they start making noise, and they don't have a long life after that. You also have two parallel supports for the battery plate, so you won't have just one point of contact. It goes all the way here. You have also connection point plate for the controller connection from outside. You can use zip ties that goes in the set with the frame to hold your battery inside. Special big tires, big strong zip ties. The swing arm goes with dropout reinforcement plates. They can be installed outside or inside depending what width you need, 135 or 155. They have place for mounting the derailleur, the rear derailleur, and it also comes with a standard bottom bracket, which is 100 mm wide. All frames are powder coated, so you don't need to worry about the water or moisture on the frame. It's all well protected from snow, water, whatever. You also get inside the set with all the screws and the headset. The headset is universal. You can use it with a tapered fork or with a straight 1.18 of the inch. And obviously you have like another panel screwed on another side. The headset cups already connected here. They will be included in the price of the frame. What else? There is option order this frame with another side panels. They will look like this one. This is a ABS side panels if you need even more space for your battery. With flat side panels, your battery can be 125mm in the width, and with those panels, you can see they are enlarged from the inside, so you can place a battery with a width up to 170mm. And as there is also option for the frame, you can order the controller shield if you want to install it outside. It comes with all necessary bolts, so if you install the controller under the frame, you will have a protection for it from the rocks, trees and roots if you ride in the forest and mountains. So the total weight of the package will be around 14 kilo. The total weight of the frame with all the side panels and bottom brackets and so on will be around 11-12 kilo. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and don't miss our 25% sale that's gonna be just for 5 days. So make sure you share this video and this information with your friend who are interested to buy a good quality frame under very good price. Thank you for watching. Also, I forgot to mention that on our Vector Typhoon frame you have a carbon wrapping on top and the bottom, so it is very nice looking wrapping, and it is very accurate, so you can see no sharp corners anywhere on the frame. And you also have a rubber plug on the back of the frame for cable that goes to the motor, or any other cables you use. It's also possible. And also one small bonus that you don't have on another frames, it's this opening. It's made with a laser cutting, so it's very it fits very well here. And you have also rubber plug which you can use to put the hydrolinia or any other wires from the bottom, and you can open it with just 4 bolts here. And as you see, there is also like carbon wrapping on the bottom part of the frame, and of course the head tube part, which is well reinforced from this side. You can see all this part is well welded to the main head tube, so it's not just 2 tubes welded, and all this part is well reinforced, so you can ride in any condition and don't worry about the frame stiffness.